Okay, for this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your favorite blue t-shirt that got a rip in it. First you sew it, and then it looks terrible, and you kind of look at it and go yuck. Then you get out some lace and some pins and needle and thread, and make sure when you're pinning the lace to it that you A, cover the hole, and B, that it looks decent and goes far enough down to the end. Then you have the choice of either doing the lace all the way around or just in front, and make sure that you stretch the fabric as you get it pinned, because you don't want to end up making it tight by not giving it the play that it has when it's on your body. So I'm going to start the pinning process, and I'll get back to you in a bit. So as you can see, I'm pulling the cloth tight as I sew the lace in, and I just do short stitches, and this keeps the lace from becoming too tight when you put it on. So that's the important thing to remember when doing this kind of sewing, because it's t-shirt fabric, it's stretchy, the lace not so much. So if you want it to work out, you need to be pulling on the cloth to make it so that it has some give. And that's kind of the secret to sewing lace on a t-shirt material. Just remember that you need some play to work with. So as you can see, I finished sewing this on, and of course you make sure you give play, or you stretch the t-shirt as you pin it as well, so that when you're finished doing it, you've got a nice even hemline, and you can't even see where the damage is on the shirt. So now I have my favorite shirt back that I can wear anytime I want. Thank you for listening and watching our video, and thank you for your time. And please remember to like, subscribe, and give us a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.